Hi everyone, this is Emily from Bloome Copenhagen. I would like to show you how our snap buttons and our snap button plier works. Many of you have been writing us and asking about this, so here is a small DIY about how you use this. You open it here, so you get it like this. And you will of course need your snap button set. Here we go. We have one of these in pure metal, a ring, and then a colored ring here. And then we have this one, it's the male part, and this is the female part. So you take your plier, I have it right here, you can see it has, this is the part for the female piece, and this is the part for the male piece. So to put in a snap button, I'll start with the male part. You take your male snap button, it's here, and then you put it in here and just give it a little press so it's in there. These yellow rubber things, don't know what they're called, make sure that it doesn't fall out. So, and then you take your fabric, I have mine right here, already applied one, and then you take your ring, this one, I'm going to take the colored one, and then you put it through the fabric. You just press it in until you can see the pointers on the other side. There. See, they're right there. And then you take your fabric, you have your snap button like this, the ring, and here we have the male part. And then you put in your fabric like this, and you take your ring and you push it up the hole above. And you see there I have the male part, and then I have the ring up here with the it plies out there, you can see the pointers, and then you just give it a little squeeze, and there you go. There's the male part of the snap button. You can see it's firmly stuck there. And then for the female part, again I take my plier. You see that was the male part, so we're going to turn it around, and then you want to place the snap button like this. So you see this is the front side of the snap button, and this is the back side. So put it in there, and again you take your ring, put this down, and you're going to find this one there. I want to be able to close it, so I'm just going to put it over here. And again, you push down the ring, so you have the pointers on the other side. They're there. And then you take your plier. Here we have the female part. And we take this other one, again with the ring, and put it up in the hole above the male or the female part in this case, and again you just give it a squeeze, and there you go. Metal snap buttons, and they can close like this. The plus size with metal snap buttons, I think, is, first of all, they're not that, ours is not that big, so they're perfect for baby clothes. I prefer the snap buttons not being too high or too wide when doing baby clothes. On top of this, when you open them, never just pull the fabric. That goes with all snap buttons because you can destroy the fabric. But put your nails in and just open it like this. With metal snap buttons in the female part, you can see the inner ring here. That is several small metal pieces there, And if your snap button gets loose, so it opens by itself, you can go in there with a small plier or something and just squeeze around those metal pieces just a tiny bit, and then the snap button will be as new again, and you won't have to replace it, because that can be difficult. If you wish to take the snap button off again, if you accidentally placed it somewhere it shouldn't be, or as we all have done at some point, put two male or two female parts across each other so you can't close it, you can take a plier with the flat sides, and you can just squeeze here on this one, on the male or the female part. Just squeeze the sides together and it will pop off, and then you can remove the ring. It's quite easy, but you need to be careful that you don't make a hole in the fabric. But if you do it carefully, you can actually remove them and replace them without you can notice it. It won't be showing. So that's the metal snap buttons. Have fun, everyone.